Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to add a Godaddy SSL certificate to IIS. If you've just purchased an SSL certificate from Godaddy and you're not sure how to properly install and configure it on your IIS server, don't worry, I've got you covered. So make sure to follow along carefully, and by the end of this video, your SSL certificate will be fully set up and working. Let's get started. First thing we want to do is open our IIS Manager, then click the button that says Service Certificates. Then click the one that says Create Service Certificate Request at the right side of the screen. Then fill our common name, organization, organizational unit, city/locality, state/province, country/region. Then, after finishing, click Finish at the bottom. After that, go to our Godaddy website. If you didn't log in to start. After that, we will go the option that says My Account at the top of the screen and click it. Then Options list down, which we are going to click the one that says SSL Certificates. Then a new screen appears where we will go to the SSL Tool tab. Then click the one that says CSR Decoder. After that, we will paste our CSR at the blank box. Once your SSL certificate is issued, download it from Godaddy. You usually get a bundle that includes your SSL certificates and sometimes a root and intermediate certificate. With these files, return to your IIS Manager under Server Certificate, click on Complete Certificate Request, and you will need to provide the path to your SSL certificate file. Make sure to enter a friendly name, easy for identification in the future. Next, bind the SSL certificate to your website. Go to the Site section in the Connections panel and select your website. Click on Bindings from the right menu, add a new binding type as HTTPS, and select the SSL certificate we recently installed from the drop-down menu. Finally, confirm that everything is running smoothly. Open a browser and type your site's SSL URL to ensure it loads without any issues. As we wrap up, I just want to take a moment to reflect on everything we've covered and how important it is to keep learning and improving. Every small step you take adds up, and it's always worth celebrating your progress. It might seem like a lot at first, but if you follow these steps carefully, it really only takes a few minutes. Securing your website with SSL is important not just for trust, but also for SEO and protecting your visitors' data. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.